when you make yourself part of things, when you include yourself, when you participate, even if you don't feel like it, with all the mundane things that you need to deal with in life every day. How often do we feel like doing things? But that makes no difference to the fact that they have to get done. Your mind cannot exist in this moment. This moment is the ever-present now. I read about The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This is the ever-present now. Your mind cannot exist here. Your mind only thinks you out of this present moment. It thinks you out of ways to participate. It thinks you into the past. It thinks you into the future. But it never keeps you into the present moment. And participation is so closely linked to your authenticity and your ability to trust yourself, to be spontaneous, and to share yourself freely and exuberantly and alively. It's a risk sometimes because somebody may not like it. Somebody may think that you're being over the top. Somebody's always going to have a thought. Don't let that stop you from being a participant. And please, don't be a spectator in your own life. Spectators have no say in the game. They sit and make a lot of noise on the grandstand, but they don't have a say in the game. They don't have a say in who is walking away as the winner. You do, as a participant, as the one that's playing the game. And we're all playing the game of life. So go away today. From this moment, give yourself permission. Always give yourself permission, because that makes you sovereign. That makes you the authority. I give myself permission to be an amazing participant today. I don't know how I'm going to do it, because you can't predict the future, but I'm going to do it in the moment, and I'm going to stay in the moment, and my mind's not going to take me out of it. So go forth. And surprise yourself today and be an amazing participant and surprise everybody else, because let me tell you, when you are being a participant, you're also being an example, and many others will follow, especially if you're spontaneous, because spontaneity, something that people admire greatly. So it was lovely to share these few moments with you.